Hello friends, so today we will know about the scientific names of animals. First is lion, Panthera leo. Second, tiger, Panthera tigris. Third, panther, Panthera pardus. Fourth, cat, Felis catus. Fifth, dog, Canis familiar. Goat, Capra hircus. Kangaroo, Macropus macropodidae. Deer, Artiodactyl cervidae. Chimpanzee, Pan troglodytes. Elephant, Proboscidae elephantidae. Horse, Icus cabellus. Rabbit, Leporidae canuculus. Frog, Anura ranidae. Giraffe, Zirafa camelopardalis. Housefly, Musca domestica. Seahorse, Hippocampus cinquetradidae. Chimpanzee, Pan troglodytes. Elephant, Proboscidae elephantidae. Horse, Icus cabellus. Rabbit, Leporidae cuniculus. Frog, Anura ranidae. Giraffe, Giraffe camelopardalis. Housefly, Musca domestica. Seahorse, Hippocampus cygnethidae. Rhinoceros, Perissodactyl thenociratidae. Pig, Artiodactyla suidae. Mouse, Rodentia muridae. Lizard, Shoria lecitidae. Thank you. Rabbit, Leporidae cuniculus. Frog, Anura ranidae. Giraffe, Giraffe camelopardalis. Housefly, Musca domestica. Seahorse, Hippocampus cygnethidae. Rhinoceros, Perissodactyl thenociratidae. Pig, Artiodactyla suidae. Mouse, Rodentia muridae. Lizard, Shoria lecitidae. Thank you for watching, guys.